In today's video, we're going to learn one of the most important topics in Hospital's Biomedical Waste Management.
We'll discuss the purpose of waste segregation, the different color-coded bins, including yellow, red, and blue, and the correct way to dispose of needles and other Sharpies.
So, let's get started. No one. First STLY, we will discuss the blue bin. What goes into the blue bin? Glass medicine bottles, glass ampules, glass vials, broken, uncontaminated, or appropriately managed glassware. Blue bin waste is disinfected when required and then recycled safely. Yellow bin. What goes into the yellow bin? Blood-soaked gauze and cotton, dressings and bandages contaminated with blood or body fluids, expired or discarded medicines. Waste collected in the yellow bin is generally treated by incineration or another approved high-temperature treatment according to local regulations. Red bin. What goes into the red bin? Contaminated but recyclable plastic items such as for tubing, for sets, syringes without the needle. These items are disinfected or sterilized and then sent for recycling when permitted by local regulations.